Hi everyone. So in this video, let's do the setup with the Turborepo. So our objective is to publish a package to the GitHub using Turborepo. So what we are going to do is, so let's set up with the Turborepo. Okay. So what do we need? I will start trimming the code here. Delete Lerna. Packages are fine. We need to have two packages. One modules. Let's delete it. So we will remove the Lerna JSON. And these are the packages. Maybe just rename them to 1.0.0. Let's call this as a package 3 and package 4. Okay, we are doing the same demo with the Turborepo. So we removed the Lerna JSON, and now we will just add inside this package JSON. I think we already using the npm workspace, so everything is good. We need to install Turbo instead of Lerna, so we'll just add that dependency. And we need to have some scripts. Let's add those scripts, npm scripts. These are npm scripts. Okay, so currently the workspace part of the workspace is packages, and do npm install now. So it will install Turbo, and now we need a Turbo JSON. Okay, so create a turbo.json at the root. And just define the basic dependencies. I think this is known as tasks. Yeah. Now we can just play with the simple commands npm run if those are working. Npm run build. Yeah, those works. Let me see, there is some error. Fail to parse the turbo JSON schema. Okay, so we need to make sure that we are using the correct version of the Turbo. If I'm using 2.0.0, then this Turbo JSON should be compatible to that. Okay, now I can do npm run test, and that works, right? So that is a small mistake which you can do, because Turbo 1 has a different Turbo JSON schema, and Turbo 2.4 has a different Turbo JSON schema. And you also need to specify the package manager you are using, npm, pnpm or yarn. Specify that package manager here. So I think our basic setup is done. That means now we just need to have our CI YML added. Okay, so now we can also try with publish command locally, and then we will push this to the GitHub. npm run publish is using turbo run publish command. Right, remote caching is disabled, no tasks were executed apart from this run. Turbo run publish. So now we can update a CI YML file. Wherever we see the Lerna, we can just replace it. Checkout, TK Sharma, package name. So we can just do is npm run test. Okay, here npm install. Here we can just change it to npm publish. Npm publish, let's and this token we need to add. So let me just push this and see what is the progress. Here we have a turbo JSON, all the commands. This is the workspace. Let's commit it. Okay, I think partially this works. We are able to publish this. I mean, obviously not, because we don't have set up the auth token, npm token, but rest it is working. So what we can do is we just add a token inside the settings of this repository, same steps which we have done earlier, actions, and here this secret we can add. First of all, we need to get the secret value. Finally, we are able to publish the GitHub package. You can see here this package is published. Now we will see is now we have seen already how to publish the package using Lerna and Turborepo. So this is overall all about this particular course where we have covered different aspects. I will just structure the code and I will share the repository where you can take a look.